Question number 1. Which step of the nursing process involves setting goals? Correct option is A. Planning. Question number 2. Which is the most common site of pressure ulcers? Correct option is C. Sacrum. Question number 3. What does PRN means in medication orders? Correct option is B. Is needed. Question number 4. When is pulse checked in an unconscious patient? Correct option is C. Carotid pulse. Question number 5. What does aseptic technique mainly prevent? Correct option is D. Infection. Question number 6. Which level of prevention includes immunization? Correct option is B. Primary. Question number 7. What is the earliest sign of hypovolemic shock? Correct option is C. Tachycardia. Question number 8. What is the safest injection site in shock? Correct option is D. IV route prepared. Question number 9. Why should tetracycline not be given to children? Correct option is C. Discoloration of teeth. Question number 10. What is the most common cause of neonatal mortality? Correct option is B. Prematurity. Question number 11. Which error is most common in medication administration? Correct option is C. Wrong time. Question number 12. Which lab value reflects nutritional status? Correct option is C. Albumin. Question number 13. Which drug prevents postpartum hemorrhage? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 14. Which of the following condition needs reverse isolation? Correct option is D. Neutropenia. Question number 15. What is the first priority in any emergency situation? Correct option is A. Airway. Question number 16. Which of the medication causes photosensitivity? Correct option is B. Tetracycline. Question number 17. Why is aspirin contraindicated in children with viral fever? Correct option is C. Reye's syndrome. Question number 18. Which condition causes barging cough in children? Correct option is A. Cough. Question number 19. Which prevention level includes rehabilitation? Correct option is C. Tertiary. Question number 20. Which sign indicates pregnancy hypertension? Correct option is B. Proteinuria. Question number 21. Which indicator measures maternal health? Correct option is B. MMR. Question number 22. What is the main role of community health nurse? Correct option is D. Health promotion. Question number 23. Which disease is spread by contaminated water? Correct option is C. Cholera. Question number 24. Which leadership style is best in emergency? Correct option is A. Autocratic. Question number 25. Which medication requires monitoring if of INR value? Correct option is C. Warfarin. Question number 26. Which lab value is most critical and to monitor in renal failure? Correct option is B. Potassium. Question number 27. Which sign indicates respiratory distress in neonate? Correct option is D. Grunting. Question number 28. Which disease is prevented by clean water supply? Correct option is C. Typhoid. Question number 29. Which leadership style encourage staff participation? Correct option is B. Democratic. Question number 30. Which factor most influence oxygen delivery to tissue? Correct option is C. Hemoglobin level. Question number 31. Which medication is used as an anticoagulant in cardiac patient? Correct option is B. Warfarin. Question number 32. Which vitamin deficiency can lead to bleeding disorders? Correct option is C. Vitamin K. Question number 33. Which vaccine is given at birth? Correct option is B. BCG vaccine. Question number 34. The normal adult urine output for hours is about. Correct option is C. 30 milliliter. Question number 35. Which scale is used to assess pressure ulcer risk? Correct option is a Verden scale. Question number 36. Which nursing process step involves identifying patient problems? Correct option is C. Assessment. Question number 37. Which patient is at highest risk for aspiration during feeding? Correct option is the unconscious patient. Question number 38. Which is considered objective data during patient assessment? Correct option is D. Temperature. Question number 39. Which route ensure fastest drug absorption in emergency? Correct option is A. IV route. Question number 40. Which factor increases risk of hospital acquired infection? Correct option is A. Invasive devices. Question number 41. Which position reduce risk of aspiration in unconscious patient? Correct option is A. Side lying. Question number 42. Which is an example of objective assessment data? Correct option is B. False. Question number 43. Chest pain patient needs monitoring for which condition? Correct option is D. Arrhythmia. Question number 44. Which patient requires strict intake outfit monitoring? Correct option is C. Renal failure. Question number 45. Which patient has highest priority for rapid assessment? Correct option is the unconscious patient. Question number 46. Which drug is antidote for heparin overdose? Correct option is A. Protamine. Question number 47. Which medication is commonly used to treat bradycardia? Correct option is B. Atropine. Question number 48. Which medication is used to reverse opioid overdose? Correct option is A. Nalazone. Question number 49. Which insulin type lasts longest in diabetic therapy? Correct option is C. Long-acting insulin. Question number 50. Which adverse reaction involves life-threatening allergy? Correct option is D. Anaphylaxis. Question number 51. Which condition causes decreased oxygen supply to tissues? Correct option is B. Hypoxia. Question number 52. Which disease commonly lead to chronic kidney failure? Correct option is A. Diabetes. Question number 53. Which organ failures causes fluid retention and edema? Correct option is A. Kidney. Question number 54. Which vital sign change indicates possible internal bleeding? Correct option is D. Falling BP. Question number 55. Which condition occurs after prolonged immobility? Correct option is C. Deep vein thrombosis. Question number 56. Which hormone maintains pregnancy during early gestation? Correct option is B. Progesterone. Question number 57. Which condition is defined as high blood pressure during pregnancy? Correct option is A. Preeclampsia. Question number 58. Which nutrient is essential for fetal brain development? Correct option is D. Folic acid. Question number 59. Which reflex is assessed in newborn neurological exam? Correct option is a Moro reflex. Question number 60. Which condition occurs due to iron deficiency in infants? Correct option is C. Anemia. Question number 61. Which mineral deficiency causes anemia despite normal iron? Correct option is B. Copper. Question number 62. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? Correct option is D. C. Vitamin D. Question number 63. Which hormone prepares body for stress? Correct option is A. Cortisol. Question number 64. Which organ regulates body temperature? Correct option is D. Hypothalamus. Question number 65. Why is iron supplementation avoided in thalassemia? Correct option is B. Iron overload. Question number 66. Which organ synthesize clotting factors? Correct option is A. Liver. Question number 67. Which device measures air movement in lungs? Correct option is C. Spirometer. Question number 68. Which vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? Correct option is B. Vitamin B1. Question number 69. Which mineral deficiency reduce ATP formation? Correct option is D. Magnesium. Question number 70. Which acid base disorder occurs in diabetic ketoacidosis? Correct option is A. Metabolic acidosis. Question number 71. Which hormone causes uterine contraction? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 72. Which energy transfer causes heat loss in cold wind? Correct option is B. Convection. Question number 73. Which principle explain sweating cooling the body? Correct option is C. Evaporation. Question number 74. Which law explain air pressure volume relationship in lungs? Correct option is B. Pile's law. Question number 75. Which factor reduce radiation exposure? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 76. Which vitamin helps calcium absorption? Correct option is D. Vitamin D. Question number 77. Which electrolyte is essential for enzyme activation? Correct option is B. Magnesium. Question number 78. Which nutrient is primary energy source for brain? Correct option is C. Glucose.
Question number 79. Which electrolyte imbalance causes paresthesia? Correct option is a hypocalcemia. Question number 80. Why does anemia causes shortness of breath? Correct option is B. Heart failure.
Question number 81. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? Correct option is C. 37 degrees centigrade. Question number 82. Hand washing is most effective method to prevent. Correct option is B. Infection. Question number 83. Which pulse site is used during CPR in adults? Correct option is C. Carotid pulse. Question number 84. Which artery is used to measure pulse in infants? Correct option is B. Brachial artery. Question number 86. Which method is most effective for sterilization? Correct option is B. Autoclaving. Question number 87. Which infection controls method destroyed all microorganisms? Correct option is B. Sterilization. Question number 88. Which pulse is used in unconscious patients? Correct option is B. C. Carotid pulse. Question number 89. What is the normal oxygen saturation in healthy adults? Correct option is C. 95 to 100%. Question number 90. Which term describes high body temperature? Correct option is D. Hyperthermia. Question number 91. Which instrument is used to measure oxygen saturation? Correct option is B. Pulse oximeter. Question number 92. Which term describe difficult breathing while laying flat? Correct option is A. Orthopnea. Question number 92. Which position is best for unconscious patients? Correct option is D. Lateral position. Question number 93. Which instrument is used to monitor fetal heart rate? Correct option is B. Petoscope. Question number 94. Which of the following disease causes Koplik spots? Correct option is C. Measles. Question number 95. Which term refers to deficiency of oxygen in tissues? Correct option is A. Hypoxia. Question number 96. Which test measures blood sugar level? Correct option is A. RBS test. Question number 97. Which disease causes thyroid gland swelling? Correct option is B. Mumps. Question number 98. Which disease causes red rash and fever in children? Correct option is A. Measles. Question number 90. Which test is used to diagnose typhoid fever? Correct option is B. Vidal test. Question number 100. Which term refers to painful urination? Correct option is B. Dysuria.